Right there around the valve cover area, we're leaking oil. I'm not sure. Bro, don't worry about it. What up, bro? We're leaking oil right around.
Hey, what you making, Jay?
Yeah, 42 people here or so, if you include that baby right there. It's 43, that's a swing and a drive. Could be his first career home run in the minors, and my God, some kid just got fucking drilled.
All he wants is to finish this bottle and then 3 more. Says he'll water his garden with champagne before he'll let the Germans drink it.
Yeah.
Well, you said it.
Bro, I've been following this truck since yesterday, bro. I'm starving, bro. We done crossed state lines 2 times. Where the food at?
Bagel, no! Bagel!
Egg! So one of my glasses did fall out, but we are on the right track. We are getting it back in. See?
Ravage each